Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app. And now let's dive right in. Now to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here. Again, tap on the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. And when you land over here, tap on the playback option over here, which is just below the general, and you can see the equalizer option available for us at the top of the screen. Now you can see, guys, there are 4 options including the smart, but excluding there are 3 options: movies, game, and music. Now in order to boost your bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app, you'll be required to choose the correct function on the direct audio tuner or the equalizer of the YouTube Music app. For example, if you are playing music only on the YouTube Music app and you want to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app for music only, then make sure the music category is chosen over here, where your music will start to sound more realistic vocal and instrument sounds. And if you're playing a game or looking to a game, make sure the game category is chosen, so your game sounds or your game audio will be with boosted bass and surround sound. And so same for the movie. If you are watching a movie, guys, make sure the movie category is selected on this interface. And with that being done, guys, your movies will have boosted bass and surrounding sound in YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to boost bass and surround sound in YouTube Music app according to the category. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.